What's good everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to master with just using Soft Clipper and Compressor, okay? We've already talked about mastering with Maximus, and we've already talked about mastering with Ozone 9 Elements. If you want to see those two videos plus our videos talking about mixing, check out the playlist of mixing and mastering that's linked to the top right now. Okay, so this is my preferred way of mastering just because it's quick and simple and it does the job that the other two do. Oh, and it's using only stock plugins. Maximus uses stock plugins, but like I said, this is quicker than that. So all we're going to want to do is throw a limiter on the bottom. And right above that, throw a soft clipper. Right above that, throw a compressor. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is actually start with compressing the beat. Not too high of an attack or release. Mess with the ratio too and mess with the threshold. Let's hear the beat so we can actually hear this in context. We're just going to bring the gain up. All right, now we'll go to the limiter and open up the soft clipper as well. That way we can see both of them. We're going to just bring the ceiling up of the limiter all the way. We're not going to use that ceiling. We're going to use the saturation knob. The saturation knob acts as a soft clipper and will round the train compared to this ceiling, which will just cut them. We don't want that because then that can destroy how the sound actually sounds. So we'll just bring the saturation knob to about -2.5. And we're going to want to go over to the soft clipper, bring the threshold all the way up, and we're going to mess with this post while we listen to it. We want to bring the post up enough until those transients are hitting this soft clipper ceiling. That's really all it takes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be good. Much love, y'all. Peace.